Welcome to the shipyard. This is it. The start of what could be a 2-month stay or maybe even longer, depending on how quickly we tackle all the necessary repairs. This time it's a bit different because we're also doing the yacht's 10-year survey, a big milestone. First on the list, clearing the deck. We've got everything from our small tender to the jet ski, and set the equipment to upload and send it out for servicing. It's a busy start, but an exciting one as we dive into the next chapter of boating life.
Alright, here we are, guys. The beginning of a very big project. The whole capping rail on the main deck. We got a new varnishing master here. Upcoming varnishing master. His assistant right here. Sam is taking off all the handrails, guys. We're gonna be varnishing this back to bare wood. Yeah. Oh yes. Right, this is what we're actually doing outside. This is the guys have started from that end, so they've done quite a lot already. I'm actually scraping the second flagpole at the moment, so I'm gonna show you how the process of scraping it back to bare wood. What you do when you're using heat gun, you have to be very careful because you heat this thing up. You actually heat this thing up until it actually bubbles up and it separates into the surface of the wood, and then you have to scrape it off right here. But be very careful because it's okay once you're on the varnish here, like see it's starting to bubble up like so, but be very careful putting your gun where there is no more varnish because you're gonna burn it, and then once it's get burned it's gonna turn dark and you're gonna have a dark spot on your work.
The reason we're scraping this varnish all the way back to bare wood, even though it still looks pretty good at first glance, is simple. After 6 years, it had its fair share of patch up repairs. Some areas, especially the ones that face the sun all day, are bleached and discolored. By taking it down to bare wood and sanding it, we'll restore its natural teak color and create a fresh canvas for a flawless finish. It's a big job, but the result will be well worth the effort.
How's it going?
How are we doing, mate?
Yeah, we're stripping the capping rails at the moment.
Sick of scraping yet?
Sick of scraping. It's like picking your scabs from your legs.
Big job. Well, we're almost there.
Yeah, it's super satisfying when you reach the edges. You have it square.
Yeah, guys, I'm so happy. My ordered of Allspar has arrived. I was worried there earlier because we have such a big project and then the stores haven't had stock of Allspar, because this is we're gonna use for build up. So it arrived today, so we're good to go, I think. So I got 20 liters. I don't know, probably not enough.
The engineering team hasn't wasted any time. They've already pulled out the shaft, and it's only our first week in the yard. It's clear they're keeping the December holiday season in mind. With all its upcoming breaks, they're getting the ball rolling quickly to make the most of every moment. And honestly, it's great to see such efficiency right from the start.
So how far is that the last bit?
This is the last bit, and then we have to do the top one.
Alright.
So, not long left now. Got the
Oh.
guys sanding.
We are done with the bigger handrail. It's all done. It's all been scraped back to bare wood. So all the way around, actually, it's all finished, guys. So all we have to do now is just the smaller upper rail. Right here, guys, is Mikado. It's a motor sealing kitch that is actually a sister ship of Lady Rose. It's funny to see it on the same shipyard here, but it's built on the same shipyard in Hitachi Zusen in Japan. And if I'm not mistaken, is the only, this one and Mikado is the only luxury yachts that is ever built on that yard. Same year, if I'm not mistaken, because everything on that boat, like all the hardwares and bollards and everything is very identical to Lady Rose. I used to know someone that works here for so long, and then I think he retired already because he's quite old when I met him a while back. So this has been hauled up this morning, but I thought they were gonna put this on the hard for a while, but look like they're putting it back in the water. I think they only come up for a few hours to do some kind of checks, but I'm not sure what happens. But they're putting it back in the water as we speak. It's quite a big project we're doing here. It's not just the capping rail, including we're actually painting the strip as well here on the side of the capping rail, because there's a few blisters. So you guys have to stay tuned because it's gonna be a long shipyard period we have here, guys.
Wrapping up our first week here in the shipyard, it's clear we're off to a strong start. From hauling out to launching our first project, it's been a busy, productive few days. There's still a lot to tackle, but seeing progress this early is incredibly motivating. We'll be here for the next couple of months, or however long it takes to get everything done. There's plenty more to share as we tackle big repairs and breathe new life into the boat. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we see you all in the next update.